This bread dough is so easy to bring on winter campouts. You just tear off a piece and bake yourself some fresh bread whenever you're feeling like it. If you refrigerate it, it'll last 3-4 days without any problems. It just slowly becomes sourdough if you let it sit for too long. Oh, that bread was good. I'm gonna make some more of that. That is good prime rib. That's good. Oh, look at that. That's gorgeous. But it looks like it's going to be windy and cold tonight. The dinner was really good, but I am so thirsty. So I need to clean my pot out and start melting some snow, get some water.